Okay, so today we'll learn about how to make this cool StairsCase effects in After Effects. So I already made these layers. First of all, me layer पे आएंगे, select your text layer, right click and make a pre-composition. Then just double click करेंगे on the text layer, open your pre-composition, go on composition settings, adjust your values on according to your text. Okay, simply then okay press करेंगे, simply highlight your layer, effects में आएंगे, select stylized, select motion title, select output height on 1250. Okay, then just again अपनी लेयर सेलेक्ट करेंगे, टेक्स्ट लेयर, अफेक्ट्स में आएंगे, सेलेक्ट डिस्ट्रॉइट, सेलेक्ट वेब रैप. Okay, then just select your web type on triangle, web height on 30, web width 125, distance 0, speed on 5, phase on 70. Okay, then simply select text layer, rotation on करेंगे, press R, select your y-axis, rotation on 30. Okay, so अपने effects and presets panel में आएंगे, type drop shadow, there's the effect, select the effect and drag and drop on the text layer, distance select करेंगे 40 and softness on 65. Okay, now we are done. Let's play it. कैसा, बढ़िया ना. आप इसी तरह के और भी प्रेसेस बना सकते हो to buy your online motion packs. I'll make one video on websites how to buy on free motion packs. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel for more. You can also follow me on Instagram for more, also on Twitter. I'll make more updates on this. मिलते हैं next video में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.